So here folks, I got the iRobot Roomba 530 model, which includes the Roomba, the docking station, the power supply, and a brand new virtual wall with a brand new filter. So, brand new virtual wall there, the power supply, and the docking station. Docking station does missing those little pieces of plastic covers. The LEDs work just fine. Everything works in it. So you just won't see the plastic covers there. Works great though. Everything works great. Got a 530 model right here with some blemishes, no scratches, pretty much. Just here's some light ones. You can hardly tell. You can hardly see. The bumper has a soft bumper on it, which is great if you want to protect your furniture without getting any scratches on them. Very soft. Here's the underneath. We got the brand new side brush here. The battery lasts about an hour on this one. So I got the 535 cover on it, but it's a 530 model. So we got the dust bin here, vacuum bin. Some setup brushes are clean, pretty good. I'm looking like getting her to work. Again, if you guys have questions, let me know. So email me or message me for any questions. So I'm showing you the bumper sensors work great. Okay, there you have it, folks.